impacted you spiritually, it's made you grow, it's made you apply or practice the faith that you profess. Natalie, what about your story?
Okay, personally, mission has surely impacted my life. Number one, socially, because you will go to church throughout the whole year, and there are some people you never talk to, or you just say hi and that's it. But in the mission site, you get to work with people you have never maybe had that connection with, and you learn things about people, which is very interesting because you make friends. And something that I have experienced in our church, Multimedia, is that whenever we come out of mission, there's just this bond in the church that is not there before we go for the mission. So I can say it enhances some bond, it creates love amongst us, and which is a very nice thing. Something else I can say that I can talk about is the spiritual aspect, because during the mission site, people, you have to pray. If you do not pray, things will go wrong. And so waking up at maybe 4 or 5 in the morning, just praying together, praying individually, and having those devotions has really impacted my life, because after the 2 weeks, you will tend to wake up at the same time and, pray and have devotion, and it really enhances your spiritual growth. Something else is that personally, I have a very prayerful mother, and I thank God for her so much. So you will look at your mother and be like, when I get to that age, then I will become serious with prayer, I will become serious with Bible study and things like that. But when you go to mission, you have to be that prayerful woman. You have to be your mother in the mission site, in that you have to pray, you have to be very vigilant, because the enemy is always there to attack you. So it has really, like what my brother has just said, I feel like throughout the whole year, we do much of theory, but when it comes to the end of the year, when it's time for mission, then we actually go to the practical aspect. Something else that mission has really helped me with is not being judgmental. As an Adventist and being in the church, there are some things that, for example, there's a way that you will look at a drunkard and, just hear stories of drunkards and be like, that can never be me or something. But in a mission site, you will go, you will meet drunkards who will, they come when they are drunk and they say that, I have left drinking and, nimewacha kabisa. But then on the following day, you find them drunk on the mtaro and you're like, God is still merciful with this person and God is still patient with this person. So I can say that mission has really taught me not to judge, because at the end of the 2 weeks, this person will give their lives to Jesus. And when you follow up on their story, you will really find that they have really changed their life. So I can say that it has helped me to be less judgmental and to look at everyone from God's point of view, from God's perspective. And in that way, I am able to reach anyone and everyone. Yeah, thank you.
Amen. 2 things I pick, and you've said more, and hopefully we all heard them, but maybe just to mention 2 for the sake of time, that mission has helped you to give others the same grace that you have received. And then mission has also impacted your own church, and you see it when you come back from mission and your church is more united than pre-mission. And perhaps that's echoing, what was the experience in the book of Acts, when they were praying together, when they were working together, and the church had a great sense of unity and togetherness, which is something that as a church we need to think about again and again. Teddy,